In this video, I will guide you through the easiest way to run any CS2 workshop map using GeForce Now. First, make sure your GeForce Now account is active and that Counter-Strike 2 is added to your library. Launch the game through the GeForce Now app. Once you are inside CS2, open the workshop browser and subscribe to the map you want to play. If the map does not show up right away, simply restart the game to refresh your subscriptions. After restarting, head to the play section and select workshop maps. Your newly subscribed map should now be available to load and enjoy. The best part is that GeForce Now handles all the heavy lifting, so you get high-end performance no matter what hardware you are using. If you run into any issues loading workshop map, check your GeForce Now settings and make sure you are connected to a server with low latency for the smoothest experience. And that is how you can easily run any CS2 workshop map through GeForce Now. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.